Well, boys and girls, welcome back to Carolina Grunt Cuddle. And today, we got some new toys for the X4. Got a bumper, we got a winch. So I think it's time to install it. I ain't even opened either of them yet. Had the winch since Christmas, or week after Christmas. And I just got this Tuesday. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got, and start taking this thing apart and putting it together. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up, guys. I'm excited. I have not seen it yet. I haven't opened it. I kind of cracked it open a little bit, but I didn't open it. Going to get a lot of paper, and I didn't want to lose any parts. Ooh! They really got a lot of paper in here. Look at that size. Here's the new skid plate and the hardware stuff to go underneath. Put it right here. Let's put this stuff out. There it is. Wow, that's kind of heavy. Let's take it out. Woo. Let's go ahead and put it right here. Guys, I hope y'all can see that. That's nice right there. Woo. And it doesn't look like it's going to be too hard to get off. There ain't that many bolts, and this thing ain't that old, so the bolts shouldn't be seized up. But just admire that beautiness. So let's go ahead and put this on. I think I might go ahead and yeah, let's go ahead and open the winch, because we'll go ahead and put the winch on before we do the rest of it. Okay, put this right here. Get the camera back. So guys, I have not yet opened this. I've opened it like this, but I've never actually went past this point because I'm afraid to lose some of these little things. Ooh, so we got the plate. Oh. Here we go. Moment of truth. Woo! Look at that. Brand new 4,500 pound winch. Makes me happy. Just a little bit to see this thing. It's been so long since I had it. Oh, look at that thing. Beautiful miss. Engage. We'll see how. So we got the relays. We got, that's the switch. We're not using that. We're using a new switch, so we won't have to use that. Dang, I forgot to switch at home. In, out. That goes on the handlebars, and we don't have handlebars, so we'll take that apart and get a new one. Whew, okay. So I think we're just going to go ahead and bolt this thing up there, and then put the winch on it afterwards, because it looks like we have a lot of stuff to go through. Man, thing looks clean. I have no idea how I'm supposed to get this on here by myself, but we're gonna figure this out. That's a one-sided bolt. That's one. I was really hoping to clean this off before today, but my walk has been keeping me. Like keeping me. There's a lot of us under there too. Ooh, we got a lot of cleaning to do. Anyways, I'll be right back. So I went ahead and got these two off. This one and the other one on the other side. Now I'm trying to get these two off, and you could go try to go underneath. Hopefully the camera ain't moved. I'm gonna go through there, and I think it's gonna be tight, guys. Come on! My wrenches are stuck in here. For my buddy used. Are you joking me? I would grab a. Don't need that. We need a 9/6. Things. Let's see. Actually, I think it's metric. I should have known. I don't know why I thought it was that. 14. Yep, perfect. Of course, my hand barely fits in here. We're probably gonna have to take the bottom off, which isn't that bad. It's just those two bolts. It looks like this. There was one. Come on. Yeah. So. I'm afraid that this thing is not going to go back in there now. I really am, because it does not want to come out. There we go. That will probably never go back in now. He'll be like, nah. So we know what it is. It's a 14. I'll go ahead and take this off. Let's hope this is enough. It probably isn't. Hey, it was. Huh, that's a force. That's a force for me to actually have something warped like that. Those are the two there. So we gotta put this back on. We'll put it on in a second. Take the other one off and then we'll put it back on. This one looks very flimsy. I don't know why. Hey, you two stay together. Don't leave your buddy. The buddy system, guys. Or as the movie Heavyweights, if you ain't seen it, the body system! Buddy! Buddy! If you didn't see that movie, I recommend seeing it. Let's see. Okay, so we go in here. So there goes that one. Put that back there with that one. There you go. Go ahead and get it off. Who has Kitty Little down here? I hate Kitty Little. Or in this case, it's oil dry, but I call it Kitty Little. And it hurts your knees. There's two. There we go. I don't know what's holding it, but ew. Ew, it's nasty. Well, that's gross. I really wish I had time to clean this thing up. Assuming it's underneath there. Somewhere. A bolt I missed. Or something. There's something under there. So we don't find a snake in here. That will not be fun. Are you joking? It would be an Allen screw type. I don't have an Allen screw type. I hate this. I know. I'd love to have gone to my shop, but somebody bought my trailer. Therefore, I had to use what I have. Oh, that's ripped. Oh, that's not good. Well, sorry, rip. Anyways, guys, those 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 5. I stopped recording because, yeah, you know, those are front diff. Those 4 of those you gotta take out. And my mess, this would be the perfect time to go ahead and change the fluid again, but I don't have the stuff I need here, so we ain't gonna do that right now. So let's go ahead and put the skid plate, the new skid plate on it, the metal one. Well, there it is. And let's get this going again. Okay, we got it on. I quit recording because I was having a lot of issues. So there's a little baggie that comes with it. It comes with 4 little bolts, and I didn't know where they went. I didn't think they went up, but they go underneath that skid plate. Then you got the 2 carriage head there, and then you got the 4 on the inside, like you took off. You talk about hard, and it would have been helpful if I had somebody to help me out to lift it up, but I didn't have anybody, so I tightened everything up except the 2 carriage head bolts because I forgot about those. Now I got that aggravation, so we'll go ahead and get them tightened up, which is good. I mean, the bumper's good, so let's go ahead and tighten the rest of it up.
The next morning.
Well, boys and girls, had to take a breather last night, stop what I'm doing, and rethink the whole thing because I was having issues, and after a while, because I had worked from 6 in the morning yesterday to 7:30 and then started this, I was frustrated, little things were ticking me off, so I stopped. Anyways, I got on, guys. Had the 2 bolts down there, 2 bolts there, and I screwed up first off, okay? I put the bumper on. Well, it was hard, it took me a while, but I got it on. Just to come to realize, even though I told myself in the beginning, you got to put the winch on first. If not, you can't get to the bolts underneath. Well, you kind of can if you got little hands. I don't have little hands, and it was a pain trying to get them lined up. So, had to start over, take the bumper off, put the winch on. Then once I put the winch on, then I couldn't get the bolts underneath to go back on, and I kept fighting it, and it's really because it was short and it didn't want to really grab and pull down. It grabbed slightly and then pop off. So I went and got me an air-powered ratchet this morning instead of a regular impact gun, and got it right on. No trouble, 2 seconds. So I got that on. I got the winch on. I got to go ahead and tighten this up. I just put that on. Got the cable on, got all that. And I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and wire it up. I might not, though. Got a lot of things I need to do today, but look, the bumper's on. Definitely plan on washing this thing, but the bumper looks good. I like the bumper. I mean, I am kind of upset that they didn't send instructions. I had a lot of issues where I would do things and it would contradict the next thing I needed to do. And since I was half asleep and tired, I didn't want thinking straight. And instructions would have helped a lot. It would have told me, hey, do this part, then this part. Like, first of all, make sure you put the winch on first. Put that winch on. If you have a winch, put it on, because it's hard. And then you got the skid plate, and I couldn't find the bolts. Then I realized they're little bolts that came with it instead of the stock bolts. These don't go on it, by the way. I think I said they did, but they don't. It comes with little bolts. But anyways, we got it on. I might go ahead and wire it up. I might not. We'll see. Anyways, this video will definitely have it wired up. So when you'll see this video when it's wired up. So let's go to it done. Well, guys, we got it walking. But of course, like me, I always have a problem. You see that, right? Look at that. Oh, it doesn't fit around there. Went to drill it out or get a new one made, but the hot in the ground don't fit around the post, so I'm going to have to get some more made. But I did plug everything in and went all the way out and back in, so it does work. Now I'm just going to go ahead and I would run the rest of them, but I'll just do it whenever I go to do all this. I'll clean everything up, strap everything I already got down, and then we'll put it back together, guys.
Eventually.
Well, guys, we've finally got the winch wired up. It's been a couple days. I've been busy. Or look at this nest there. This rat's nest, as they'd call it. Got to get that out of the way. But I drilled the holes out, put them in there. Got the relay in, bolted down. Got to fix my wires. Got to find some way to make them look better. That's horrible. Got the winch cable. I didn't have nobody to hold the winch cable, so I hooked it to a chain. Anyways, I got it in here. Get out and in. And then out. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it, the light works. So I got that straight. So we got the winch, guys. Got the winch hooked up, ready to go. I have a diagram of how I had to do the switch there. Let me see if I can find the little piece of paper I had. There it is on the floor. This paper, I don't know what it was aiming for, but I just kept having to plug in different areas. It was like I think it was an 8-pin cycle is on this thing. And I had to plug it in, unplug it, plug it, because, mainly because this winch already had a switch on it. Therefore, it was already there, so I had to make it work for mine. I don't know where the button, is it the button? No, it ain't the button. I don't know where the button goes. Anyways, so I had to get that straight. I got that straight. I got the winch hooked up, as you can see. She's good to go. Now remember, guys and girls, when doing anything like this, make sure that you get all your cable nice and tight. Because if you don't, that little bit of loose connection, it'll start getting grime on it. It can burn it out. Trust me, it's horrible. I've done that with a lot of tractors and stuff. Well, I got it hooked up. I got it ready to go. Now, got to get some shackles. I forgot to get the shackles. But thanks for watching, as always. If you haven't, subscribe. And if anybody wondering, a lot of people ask me why I didn't get a worn winch. This is why we didn't get a worn winch. That winch, I have some of the worst luck with warns. I've had them on all my stock vehicles. The factory sends them. And I can't get good luck out of a warn. I ain't saying they ain't good winches. I've had bad luck. This winch cost $150, $160 on sale the other day. And that's what I bought around Christmas time for the same price. And I can buy 3 of these for the price of the one, and I'm only getting 1 to 2 years out of a one. So this winch would have to die in 7 months for it not to be worth the same price as the one winches I was buying. So we're going to give it a check. We're going to try it. Y'all see my videos. We try these things. We're going to put it to the test. We got the nice rope instead of the cable, which I like way better. Well, let me get all this stuff out the way. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. I just had to take a quick video to admire that the X4 is clean for once. Like, just sit there and enjoy how beautiful it looks. It's so nice when it's clean, and you can see the imperfection on the rims where everything just destroys that black coating. But I just figured I'd let y'all see this because it's never clean. I never let it stay clean long. But let me strap her down and head home. Thanks for watching, guys.